Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your speaker Onyx 8. And let's get started with volume control. So we have two buttons to control the volume. The first one is look like a plus to increase the volume, so press on it or press and hold and you will increase the volume, and you can see it on this widget. Also we have a minus button, so again press on it or press and hold and you will lower the volume, and as you can see on this widget it also works. Also we can play and pause the song by pressing one time at this phone button, and as you can see I'm just playing a song, press one more and you will pause the song. And we can also play next track by pressing two times on this phone button. So let me show it to you, 1, 2, and I'm just play next track. Also, with this phone button you can answer the call by pressing one time, and you can finish the call by pressing two times on this button. And we have right here power button to turn on or turn off your speaker, and the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Also, you can perform a hard reset with these controls, and you should press at the same time volume up button and Bluetooth button until your speaker is turned off. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!